Come test drive 2016 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, compass, security system, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.